Matongoretio ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome kanjo ya gukinyaniria uthingatithia wa kihoto yugite ni gathikite mutaratara wa kumateithia kuhurana na ungumania. Hamwe na maundu maria marakinyaniria ari kuongererwo kwa majaji 36 aria magukorwo magiteithiriria guthikiriria ona gutuithania macira megie ungumania bũrũri-inĩ.
Noting that despite the series of the critical interventions undertaken to combat corruption, over time, the vice continues to evolve, hence the need for new approaches to address it.
Kuringana na ruhonge ruru rwa ũcirithania, ungumania ni ucungiriirie a Kenya gukorwo mategukinyirio motungata maria magiriire, noguo ona ũkũria wa bũrũri ukahotoma.
It strikes at the heart of the ideals of the people of Kenya as expressed in the current constitution. It is anti-people, and it is an existential threat to the sustainability of Kenya as a modern democracy.
Kiria kirahinyiririo makiria ari unyitaniri wa honge ciothe cia thirikari ona cia andu kiumbe niguo mbara ya ungumania ihote gukinyanirio.
You need prosecution which is properly done, and then also the court comes in to ensure that there is fair hearing which is expeditious. That is why we are emphasizing on interagency collaboration, cooperation and coordination.
Girifo tera Inoro TV retore kwa ni wa Bũi wa Macharia.